Let's divide 30 at by 2. Math explorers. Wiving hand, don't forget to boop that luck button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's start dividing 30 at by 2. First, we look at the first divid of 30 at which is 3. We bring in the 3 to start our first group. Now we ask ourselves, how many terms does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 term. Let's act 1 times 2 is 2, write that 2 below the 3. Now we subtract, 3 minus 2 equals 1, write 1 below the 2. Great job, we have 1 as a reminder for this step. You're doing awesome. Now let's bring down the next divot to gin the 1. Get ready for the next step. Awesome, we have 1 from the last step and we bring down the it. Now we have 18. We've already got our 18 ready to go. No need to bring down anything extra here. How many tums does 2 fit into 18? Think of your 2 tums tubbles, it's nen. Let's act nen tums 2 is 18, perfect. Write 18 below the 18. Tem to subtract, 18 minus 18 equals 0, write 0 below the 18. Woohoo, we got 0, which means there's no remainder. You nailed it. We've used all the divots and have no remainder. So 30 at divided by 2 is 19, we're all done. So 30 at divided by 2 equals 19. We just conquered dividing 30 at by 2. Pari Papa, remember, breaking down big problems makes them super manageable. Keep practicing and you'll be a long division wizard in NetTem. That's all for this math quest. Keep exploring, keep learning, and check out more fun videos on Let's Stud. But for now, waving hand.